Hello guys, yeah, this is Manori, and in today's videos I'm going to show you a 7. Yeah guys, as you can see, I'm in the check sound. We have a concert today, so I said let me do just a quick video for you. Yeah, let me show you this 7. So the 7 goes like this. And the progression is G, F, C, D. Okay. Let me see if I can get a way to. Okay, I think there you can see very well. Then second and third. Then this. Then so then 4, we do this on the 4. Then pull off on the first string. Okay. So this is second and third string, so both will be on the second and third string. So then first and second again, so this is an F, add a minor A6 on it, so F6. So let me play it again for you. Yeah, see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let them subscribe and like it. Bye bye.